Hey guys, welcome back. Jet Scott here with Scott Speed Shop. Still recovering, but I figured today it's kind of nasty. It's about 40 degrees ish. It is exactly 35 degrees today with a high of 37 and a low of 30. Dang. Well, there you go. You know how cold it is. Hey, it's not going to be the most spectacular day to do this, but I figure, you know what? Let's go do something fun. Let's get a video out for everybody. So we're going to do some cold start videos, because I know people still kind of enjoy those. Don't know why. It's a weird phenomenon, but people seem to like it. So that's what we're going to do today. So what are we cold starting today, you may ask? Is it going to be the 600 horsepower 70 Charger Jezebel? Nah. Too much hassle to get the hood off. We're going to cold start that 68 4-speed Javelin? Nah. We're going to cold start that 426 Hemi powered Charger. Ain't that cover? Nah. We're going to cold start that 73 satellite back there that's on blocks because it's just an absolute pile of crap. Not if we want the wiring harness to catch on fire again. Nah. Are we going to cold start that 49 GMC with the Buick nailhead? Nah. So what does that leave us? The jet boat or the Dart? Neither of which are super splendiferously cool, but the boat's got a tarp on it, so I guess we're doing that daggone Dart. So what we got here is my 66 Dart that we featured on the channel, building it and getting it kind of back up into running gear and running shape. What it's got under the hood is a pretty mild but decently hot at the same time 273 Super Commando. It is 10-5-to-1 compression, supposedly with the factory dome pistons. It's got headers from, oh god, I can't remember his name. Those are those shorty special headers that are a pain in the butt to find, and they're rusting beautifully because this car's been neglected like a pile of crap. Battery's still connected, and normally disconnect that. Got a 650 Holley double pumper I built for it, LD4B 273 style intake. Valve covers restored by Phoenix Specialty Coatings. Shout out to them. Beautiful work. Even though they're looking neglected, they still look beautiful. We got a radiator here, aluminum style, factory style tank. It's got the correct 920 casting small block 273 Super Commando heads. All topped off with a sweet ass engine rebuild done on the super duper cheap. So, oh yeah, and by the way, this does have dual points, an Excel dual point distributor. So, inside the car, homemade floor pans, homemade tranny tunnel, and it's warm in here actually. 65 Barracuda gold bucket seats because it's all I could find. Old white Moon Eye steering wheel, and that piece of crap star shifter. Don't like that. That's getting changed to a 4-speed. So I think let's stop talking and get to working. So let's make this baby fire up for y'all. I haven't started this thing in a number of months, so let's see if she'll kick off and bust off for y'all. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so before we get to actually starting the Dart and everything, I just want to let you know that the camera really picks up that solid lifter cam, and a little belt squeal I did not know that was going on, so I'll have to look at that later. But don't let the sound of the video hinder your ability on what the Dart sounds like. It may sound like, it sounds kind of crap on video to me until I put the camera by the exhaust, but just enjoy the video and we'll get back to it, so enjoy. Alrighty, so let me just crawl my big ass in here. Sorry, last time we were out cruising, Dad, I and my brother was in the Javelin, Michael was in this, and Dad was in his Charger. Brother parked a little precariously close to the old Dart, or the Javelin, so this baby's cold as ice. That's anticlimactic. Let's give it more pumps. What do you think? 12? 12 was the right number. Woo-hoo! my little dart. I appreciate everybody who watched the video series of me building that little dart. I never expected so many people to find that little car so dang cool. Oh, I like it. I love that solid lifter cam it's got. It makes it sound like it's falling apart inside the hood. The camera really picks up the solid lifter. But she's still warming up. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, she's been running for like 15 minutes. Oh, hey, the temp gauge moved, finally. Damn tack's all fogged over. I think we need to hear it from the outside. What do you think? A little move magic. Woo -hoo. What do you say about that? Well, there she is, guys, our little 66 Dart. Oh, 273 may not make the most horsepower, may not be the most powerful engine in the world, or may not sound the most badass, but she definitely does the trick. There she is, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Look forward to seeing the next one. Jet Scott signing out. Bye-bye. But before we go, I got to show you guys something that I got in the mail. There's a big old box right there full of metal tubing. I wonder what that could be. We got a banner from Jags. Huh. I wonder what Jags could have sent me. We got a box right there. What the hell did we get? What did we get, Cappy, my little buddy? Nothing? Really? You're going to be camera shy? Loser. What's this? What is this? Blue metal flake steering wheel. Does that mean those parts in there are for that blue turd out there? Huh. I think we're gonna have a pretty good day, don't you think? All right, so one more time before we leave and sign off for this video, just another big shout out to Rob at Jags. You're an awesome dude. Love your car, love everything, man. I appreciate you helping me out. Still had to pay for everything, but you know what? That's no big deal. This thing is gorgeous. And for anybody who doubts the reproduction metal flake wheels, shut up, phone. This thing is beautiful. I mean, just drop dead gorgeous. I love it. It's vibrant, beautiful. What it's gonna do is give me the blue wheel I wanted for Jezebel, for either of the steering columns I got now. And I can put that gold wheel in the Dart like I've always wanted to. So again, Rob, forever know, man, that this wheel basically came from you. It's going in Jezebel, so every time you see that car in any video or in person or wherever, you know, this wheel and that roll cage, well, I can't say it couldn't have been possible without you, but thank you again, dude. I love it. I've always wanted one of those blue wheels, and the originals are just stupid price, $200-300 for an old faded piece of crap. You know, basically $70 for a brand new one. Can't beat it. Always had my reservations about them. Had buddies tell me they're junk. I got nothing against that one. Went with the black center instead of chrome because it'll go better with the interior being blue and black. I think it's gonna be cool. But all right, I got stuff I got to do, and I appreciate you guys for watching as always. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.